Hey my pearls, how is everybody doing? Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Now, this video is different than what you typically see here. I'm planning for a work trip in a few days, and as I am getting my clothes together, I figured I would show you what's in my suitcase. So I need business casual clothes for 5 days. So I've got 5 outfits picked out. And then, of course, on the plane ride to and fro, I can just wear whatever because that's my time. But these are business casual clothes, nothing flashy or anything like that, just ensembles of clothes that I feel comfortable in and that I can move about in and that I think compliment me. So let me show you what's in my suitcase. All right, ladies, so the first outfit in my suitcase is a pair of dark blue pants with a matching blouse. And this set, actually, I picked up from Ross. It's not sold together. They're 2 separate pieces. The pants are 100% polyester. The thing about these, the pants don't have any give. So thankfully, I was able to find my size because they feel good on me, but there's no stretch whatsoever. The blouse, pretty white blouse, white with blue, looks like blue flowers. It is a rayon nylon blend, so it has just a hint of stretch in it. I'm pairing it with blue shoes. I have some flats and then I have some heels. I think the flats are going to win though, because this trip is going to be full of a lot of moving around. The second outfit in my suitcase. So for this one, the colors aren't coming through on video like they do in person. They're really complementary to each other. These pants are from Amazon, y'all, and I have them in the color light brown. They're high-waisted. It's a polyester blend, so there's a little bit of stretch there. The top is a polyester nylon blend, has some stretch as well, and it's really comfortable material. Now, when I say the colors aren't coming through on the video, the top looks black and white, but actually it's cream with black flowers, and that cream really complements the brown pants. Outfit number 3 in my suitcase. Now these pieces were already in my closet. I'm wearing some ankle length pants. They kind of remind me of gabardine. These have a lot of stretch and are really, really comfortable. These came from Lane Bryant, and I got these, I don't know, 1 or 2 seasons ago. The blouse is a TJ Maxx find, I believe, and I really like it. I think a nice white shirt is a simple classic that, always good to keep in your closet. The sleeves roll up. It's almost like they have you can just roll the sleeves up. I don't know what you call it, but it turns into like a nice cuff. I like the blouse, just nice and simple. Okay, let's talk about these red shoes. Y'all, I intended to get a red tank top or camisole to go under the white shirt, but I couldn't find one that I liked. So the shoes are ending up being a big pop of color on their own. I'm conservative, so these red shoes are a big deal. Okay, next in my suitcase is a hot pink blouse. It's actually the same as the black and cream color blouse that I showed you. It's super comfortable. I love the eye-catching color. I thought it was supposed to be fuchsia, but maybe I did order hot pink. Came from Amazon as well. The only thing about these blouses is the elastic on the arm. I know it's gonna bother me. I already know. So I've got a seam ripper that I'm going to use to loosen up that elastic band. Very comfortable, nice soft material, very breathable. All right, friends, this outfit just might be my favorite. Let me see, I got these pants a few months ago, maybe from Ross, because Ross seems to be the jam. They're high-waisted, have a lot of give, and are super comfortable. The blouse is from JCPenney by Worthington. I absolutely love blouses. I'm a blouse girl. And this one is from quite some years ago. All right, ladies, I made it and still had some daylight to spare. But now you know what I'm taking with me in my suitcase on my business trip. Just some casual, comfortable clothes and shoes that can get me through the day. Y'all, those flat shoes that I showed you, they are so comfortable. They do have a little bit of arch support, just a little bit. I have inserts for my shoes, so I'm gonna take my inserts just in case, but those shoes feel amazing. I do need some arch support though. So what else? What did I say? So I've got scrunchies, bonnet, my toiletries, pajamas, and I'll probably take my makeup bag just to put on a little bit of face. I think that's it. So I hope you have enjoyed my little fashion show suitcase business trip situation. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.